All right, let's take a look at this one where we have logs all the way across and we have to solve. And we need to do something before we begin the solving process. First, we need to condense this. And so you remember that when you have a subtraction in between the two of the same log, that actually means that's the quotient. So that means we're going to do a fraction. So essentially, I'm just going to write log base 4. And this is division. So it's going to be of 3x over 9. So think about how we got that. Remember from the property rules there. And over here we have log base 4 of 11. Okay. Well, we know that if our logs are the same, then we can sort of cancel those out and say that the rest of the equation is equal to itself. So 3x over 9 equals 11. Now we're just doing like a two-step algebra equation. We're going to multiply both sides by 9. We get 3x equals 99. And then we divide by 3. And we get 33. All right. So for this one, the value of x is 33. And that's the answer to this question. So it's key that you condense first. Don't try to subtract these numbers. The subtraction shows that this is going to be the quotient of them. All right. I hope that helps. Logs can be super tricky, but you guys just got to stick with it and you start to learn the patterns and it starts to click. See you next time.